Hey folks, today is March the 27th. I'm going to look at doing my Forex Venture Bot weekly update review. This is going to be for the week of March 23rd through the 27th. As you can see here, we're currently in a trade right now. Let me see here, 327. So yeah, this one opened up today, and that was entered right here. It was a sell order, so at one point this was up quite a few pips. As you guys can see here, we're talking about 74 pips that it was up at one point. And then of course the market came back and it was down about 73, 74 pips. So right now we're back, not down a lot, just down a little bit at this point. Let me see what we're looking like here. Alright, we're down about 8 pips right now. Let's see account history. See what it's opened up this week. Alright, 323. So we had one trade open up on Monday, and that's this trade right here. It was a sell for 0.23 lots, and that was a loser of $89.24. We can go ahead and check the website. I haven't checked it yet, but we'll do that right now. And it should show something that opened on the 23rd. Let's see, history. Alright, here it is right here. Opened up on the 23rd. Alright, so they have the same loss that we took. And they're also have one trade open, as you can see here. And it's also down. So they're in the same exact situation that we're in right now, and that's always a good thing, because even though we're having a little bit of a drawdown in our equity curve, the hope is that it's going to continue pushing up here shortly. And actually, let me see what week we're on. Hold on one second. Alright, I just checked the website, and this is going to be week number 6. So that means we have 2 more weeks of testing for this. And I'm really hoping that this can turn things around here. I know I've said that for the past 2 weeks, and it hasn't been able to yet, but I'm not going to judge it before I allow it to finish up its trial. As you guys can see, I haven't actually noticed it use take profits. As you can see here, you won't notice a take profit down there at all. So it does tend to go for a larger take profits from what I've noticed. So we're just going to continue watching. Hopefully next week we can hit some of those larger profit targets, and that'll put us back in the green instead of being so far into the red. As you can see right here, 1,095 total profit and loss. So we're currently down quite a bit right now. Alright, so that's going to be it. Hopefully next week I'll have some better news with this software. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Alright folks, take care, have a great weekend.